I get asked a lot about what I do with my waste timber, offcuts and that sort of stuff. Well, actually, believe it or not, you can actually use up so much material on a job like this. We've been buying really long lengths, 6 metre lengths of 250 for rafters and all sorts of other stuff. Now we're going to end up with offcuts on those. Now on this particular job, we've got what we call gable ladders, and they travel all the way up, extending a barge board past the face of the gables, and I use a series of noggins all the way down at 400 centres from ridge all the way down to the end. So those are a perfect example of what I can use my offcuts for. So here's a small pile of exactly what I'm talking about. These offcuts here will be perfect. I'm actually going to run them through my table saw, so I get 2 from 1. Now they're all the same length and exactly the same thickness. I actually need 112 of them. They're 370 millimeters long and they're 94 millimeters thick, so I can get 2 from one of these. So that if we didn't do that, we'd have to put that in the skip potentially, or find someone who wants it. I mean, you know yourself, this stuff when it starts drying out is rock hard. It's got a real ring to it like a bell. So it's really nice to use it up. So I'm just going to take this to the saw, rip them all through and then get them all in. And that's a really nice way of using all that material out without buying extra 4x2 or something like that.